Ruth Bader Ginsburg, an advocate for LGBTQ rights, women's rights, and equality for all. And if you're a woman who's served or still serving, you can thank RBG for advocating on your behalf. Ginsburg argued the case of Frontiero v. Richardson before the Supreme Court in 1973. The landmark case decided service members cannot be given different benefits based on gender. Sharon Frontiero, an Air Force officer, challenged a rule that gave service men automatic housing benefits, while women in the ranks could not automatically receive the same allowance. Ginsburg convinced the court that the policy discriminated against women in violation of the Fifth Amendment. Frontiero won her case by an 8-1 vote. Here are 5 facts you may not have known that were also fought by RBG. Number 1, employers cannot discriminate against employees based on gender or reproductive choices. Women are now more protected against getting fired or not considered for a job because they are pregnant or have plans to get pregnant. Number 2, state-funded schools must admit women. Up until 1996, women were not allowed to attend the Virginia Military Institute. Ginsburg argued that rather than create a separate women's program, they should be allowed to join the same program as men. Number 3, women have the right to financial independence and equal benefits. Can you believe that before 1974, women needed a male cosigner? Ginsburg's work paved the way for the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, which passed in 1974 and allowed women to apply for bank accounts, credit cards, and mortgages without a male cosigner. Number 4, men are entitled to the same caregiving and Social Security rights as women. Ginsburg stressed how gender equality benefits both men and women. And in 1968, Ginsburg represented a man who had never been married and claimed a tax deduction for caring for his mother. The IRS denied his deduction because he was a man and unmarried. The IRS code was amended to allow individuals to claim caregiving deductions regardless of sex. Number 5, juries must include women. Up until 1979, jury duty was considered optional for women in the U.S. Several states even argued that women should be exempt from participating due to family and household obligations. Ginsburg fought to require women to serve on juries on the basis that their civic duty should be valued the same as men's. Ruth Bader Ginsburg was the second woman to serve on the Supreme Court, and she did so for 27 years. She died on September 18, 2020, at the age of 87.